are you? It's been a long time, I know, but many things have been moving forward here in Mangroovy. We're 50% in the advance of the whole building, and we have been advancing also with the stairs and the elevator cube. We are already putting bricks in one of the units, and everything is moving forward and looking amazing, like the view that I have here in my back. Helicóptero. Ahí va. Okay, good news for everyone that has already invested here in our building is that everything is moving forward and we still have 3 more units available. Please, if you want them, just contact me because they will fly away super fast, and I will be doing more videos about each one of these units if you're interested in one of them. One more thing. Now you will see the whole building from downstairs to upstairs, and also exactly where Mangroovy is located, just in front of this beautiful protected reserve, and also just 3 blocks away from the beach. So enjoy and see you super soon.